today I will go through my weekly setup and show you how I do my habit tracking for the week, and also show you how I do my to-do list. So I am glad you're here. I hope you will join me. Let's get started. Let's get into my journal. All right, so if you watched my last video, I set up this new journal. It is pretty brand new. So yes, I am very pleased with how things are going so far. In the front, I put my goals for the coming months. First goal, be completely debt-free by January 2024. I feel as though I've been doing a very good job of that over the past months, and also definitely over the past week. Just minding my spending, and I have a second job. I put, actually I received a paycheck last Friday, and just put all of that toward the debt that I'm paying off. So very, very good. This part, as far as making additional money on top of my second job, I have not done so well with that, and that's mainly because I've been traveling and just life has happened. So I do want to focus more on making a little bit of extra money, and I can do that through tutoring English with Cambly, and just make like $10 a day. I can do that. That's nothing. Number 2 goal is to make one YouTube video per week for 1 year. So this is my video for the week. Okay, so going through these though, this one I think I'm having the most trouble with is post one video by 12 p.m. Eastern time every Sunday. I don't know if that's really that realistic. I say this as I'm recording at probably 10 a.m. on Monday. So yeah, already I'm not doing so well with this goal. But I feel that, you know, I do like the idea of having a timeline. I feel maybe as I get become more experienced as a YouTuber and have my system set up, have my equipment set up the way that I want, and be able to kind of pop videos out a little bit more consistently like a machine, then I feel that I'll be able to do that. Right now, 12 p.m. Eastern time is probably not realistic for me, but I still want to stick to the one video a week. So that's why I am here with you right now, and I'm very excited to be here. I did have my video idea. Okay, so I will have another video coming up either today or tomorrow, and I do have an idea for that, and I did have that done by Friday, so I'm very proud of that. And I did research and brainstorm my ideas. So there are things, so I'm doing what I can do right now, and I know that 12 p.m. Eastern, not realistic, but these other things can be realistic as long as I put in the work to do them. Having my camera and light set up before bed on Saturday. This week, just because I am visiting my friend, I wasn't able to do that. But if I were at home, that wouldn't have been a problem. Okay, so this is my habit tracker from last week, and it is a hot mess. Since I was traveling, I didn't really do a lot over the weekend. As you can see, I was very upset about this because I didn't meet my step goal for the day, and I was on a very long streak, I think like 40 days, something like that, and I just didn't accomplish it anytime this past weekend, so that's okay though. And I thought about it, you know, for upcoming travels, like how I want to structure my time when I'm hanging out with my friend, or just even when I'm traveling by myself. And I just thought about it like I need to kind of let myself relax when I am away from home, and just let myself, you know, just be a little bit more free-flowing with my time, which I usually do. I think now though, since I've started kind of tracking my habits, I tend to be like, okay, I've got to get this many steps, and I focus so much on that I'm not really just being present and enjoying my time. So I think, and I did that here, when I know in advance that I can't do something, I just put a little line right here, so that way I know, hey, it ain't gonna get done. I know that going into it, so that's cool. So I wish I had done that for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and just relaxed and gave myself that space to hang out with my friend. So I told my friend, Britt, her name is, that going forward I will not do this. I will just let myself just hang out. And I hardly ever have fun anymore, so I need to do that. I put these Post-its here just for privacy, so I don't have to block it later. So don't pay attention to those. Those aren't normally there. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the coming week. August 14th, 20th, 2023. Sometimes I put the year, sometimes I don't. I don't care. Okay, so in the morning, I like to do a check-in in my journal. I'm trying to get into a habit of doing that every morning. That way it's like, okay, I'm looking at my to-do list. I'm looking at the things I want to accomplish today, and that way I can focus on goals. Okay, so morning check-in. All right, I'm going to try for my 15.5 thousand steps, but knowing that I probably won't get to do that today, so that's okay. All right, read for 30 minutes. I can definitely do that because I'm taking Greyhound back to Dayton, which is the most horrific experience in life, and I probably won't do it again, but that price was just too good to pass up. Okay, every day I like to read my goals aloud, which technically I just did for you guys, so I already, look at that, winning. All right, and I like to write my to-do list. I probably should have done this in a slightly different order. I like to do it in the chronological order that I plan to do them. Whatever, it's all good. Okay, then vitamins, and then I will put ready for bed at 9:30. That means in my bedroom with the headscarf on. You know what I'm talking about, ladies. And just ready for slumber. Okay, so why can't I type and talk or write? Wow, I can't even say it. Why can't I write and talk at the same time? All right, that's why I have some correction tape, because I make so many mistakes. Ready for bed at 9:30. Yeah, if I didn't have correction tape, my journal would look completely different. Steps, not gonna happen. We know. Everything else, though, I believe I should be able to do today. And I love just having everything kind of neat and organized in this way. I'd say sometimes my journal is the most organized thing about me. If you ever saw my bedroom, or if you ever maybe saw the desktop on my computer, on my computer screen, you would know that I am not an organized person by nature, but I'm really, really trying, and I think my journal helps me at least feel organized. Okay, Thursday. Yes, and look at that, I'm actually gonna have space to put Friday. I didn't have that last week. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Yes. And then Sunday. Right here. Okay, and then I like to leave a space for what's going on next week. Right, so I am reading the book Daring Greatly by Brene Brown for book club. My work, or job number one, they actually have a book club, and so they sent this book to my house, and so now I'm reading it. I am about 2/3 of the way through, and I should be able to finish that today. But I'm ahead of schedule because we only needed to do the first 2 chapters, but I wanted to make sure I had like school flashbacks, so I wanted to make sure that I was like ahead right now, and so now I'm gonna have the whole book done, and I'm very proud of myself. So I might actually go back and review chapter number 1, yeah, just like both chapters, and that way I can I will be ready to go for this book club meeting. I will feel so prepared. All right, that's all I have for now. I'm gonna keep Monday kind of light, just because, you know, I'm going to be traveling, and yes, I'm so excited to get home. It's going to be kind of late when I get home, so I don't want to put too much on my plate for today, but that is it for my to-do list, and then I'll go ahead and show you today, August 14th. See, I was looking over gratitude and wins for the week. All right, and then I just go boop, 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 boop. I might put 5 things. I don't know how I feel, but that is how I do my weekly spread. And this is pretty much how I've been doing it for the past couple of weeks. I'd say 3 or 4, 7, 8, 10 weeks now. I don't know, but I like it. And it just keeps me focused, keeps me organized. And I have a goal of posting a video every either Sunday or Monday. So I hope you will join me. And please feel free to comment. If you'd like to see a different video about journaling, or, you know, if you have any questions about anything, I am here for you. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And I hope you like and subscribe and join me for future videos. Bye. Take care.